value of vector differential operator. Now when this vector differential operator applies on a scalar field, that is a scalar surface, let's say it is phi. Let phi is the scalar function yani phi is the function of x, y and z, let's say, is equal to, this will be the surface. Now when this gradient apply on this surface, then it is known as gradient of a scalar function, that is gradient of a scalar function. So gradient of a scalar function is denoted by grade phi, grade of phi, that is also known as this grade of phi. ऐसे हम लिखेंगे, ये gradient applies on a scalar function phi. तो it has the value क्या हो जाएगी, इसको gradient को phi पे अप्लाई करो तो phi with respect to x, phi with respect to y, phi with respect to z. तो gradient phi has the value curly by curly x of phi plus j cap curly phi by curly y plus k cap curly phi by curly z. This will be the value of gradient of a surface. तो gradient of a surface is denoted by grade phi या del operator on phi. That operator applies on phi surface. This gives a new vector. So gradient phi is a vector quantity. Yani it converts a scalar quantity phi, scalar function phi, to a vector function, to a vector, that is gradient phi. So gradient phi apply on a phi, then this is known as gradient of a scalar function. This gives a new vector. Now what is the geometrical meaning and significance of gradient phi? What is the geometrical meaning and significance of grade phi? Now let us take geometrical meaning. Meaning of grade phi. Yani it shows normal vector to the surface. Normal vector to the surface. ये इसका geometrical meaning है. कैसे आता है वो हम find करेंगे. Let आपके पास एक surface है, scalar surface phi, in terms of x, y, z, and its value is equal to c. Let phi x, y, z is a scalar function या scalar function, that is scalar field बोल सकते हो. This let p be the point on this surface. p x, y, z values होंगे x1, y1, z1 be the point on this surface. The surface passes through this point p. Now if we put the phi at p, that gives the equal to c. Now for any point that gives the same value as for the p, that surface gives the same value. It means that like for a point charge, q is a point charge, then at distance r, equipotential will be q over 4 pi epsilon naught r. Here the potential at distance r has the same value, q over 4 pi epsilon naught r. Similarly, for each distance r, the potential is same. Okay. Potential is same. So if p is the point here, let's say it is point p. For this point, the surface has the value v is equal to q over 4 pi epsilon naught r. Scalar potential has the value this. For another point, this will be q, the potential is same, and another point r, the potential is same. So all these points are on level surface. This surface is known as level surface. If the surface gives a value at point p, and for other points the surface gives the same value, then the points are lies on the same surface. Yeah, that surface is known as level surface बोलते हैं. Here the level surface is this spherical symmetry. Spherical symmetric at distance r charge से क्या होगा, द पोटेंशियल रिमेन सेम, सो दिस इज लेवल सरफेस फॉर द पोटेंशियल एंड दिस सरफेस इज नोन एज इक्वी पोटेंशियल सरफेस। इसके लिए क्या बोलते हैं इसको, इक्वी पोटेंशियल सरफेस। तो सिमिलरली हेयर पोटेंशियल की बजाय कोई जनरल फंक्शन है दैट इज स्केलर फंक्शन फाई हैज़ द वैल्यू फाई, तो क्या होगा, दिस इज द सरफेस, let's say this surface, and for this surface the phi has the value phi equal to c, phi x y z equal to c, and p be the point lies on this surface and this is the point origin, let this will be the origin O, and the position has vector r vector is the position of point p। अब हम क्या करेंगे, एक अनदर लेवल सरफेस मानते हैं जो कि इससे थोड़ी सी और ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे होगी, तो और ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस पे लेट द वैल्यू ऑफ फाई चेंजेस टू फाई प्लस डी फाई एंड दिस क्यू पॉइंट्स एंड अनदर सरफेस ले ली हमने दैट हैज़ द वैल्यू फाई प्लस डी फाई, दिस सरफेस हैज़ द वैल्यू फाई प्लस डी फाई एंड क्यू बी द पॉइंट लाइज ऑन दिस, क्यू बी द पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द अनदर सरफेस दैट इज फाई प्लस डी फाई। Now the position vector of this surface will be r plus dr, r plus dr. Now this displacement vector is gr vector. Now this displacement vector is dr. Now this displacement vector is dr, and the value of the surface shifted changes through this surface to this surface. The change in the scalar function is d phi, that is phi plus d phi minus phi, phi cancel, that is d phi. d phi is the change in the delta phi grade phi, d phi is the change in the surface and dr be the displacement for it. Now if we find grade phi, gradient of phi dot with dr, this will gives you that is value curly phi by curly x I cap plus j cap into curly phi by curly y plus k cap into curly phi by curly z dot with dr is that is dxi dyj and dzk cap. Now this gives you the value dot product of two vectors, coefficients multiply and the sum of their, this is curly phi by curly x into dx plus curly phi by curly y dy plus curly phi by curly z into dz. This is the value of d phi, that is value of d phi. So gradient of a scalar function dot with displacement vector that is dr gives you the total derivative of the surface at d phi. Let us assume that this surface, this q point be shifted to point comes to this surface, first surface के ऊपर, then d phi will be the value has 0 value. If this q point shift टू दिस सरफेस, फर्स्ट सरफेस के ऊपर अगर ये क्यू पॉइंट आ जाएगा तो उस केस में क्या होगा, जो आपका डी फाई है, क्योंकि फाई हैज़ द सेम वैल्यू, फाई चेंज नहीं होगा, सो डी फाई रिड्यूसेस टू 0 इफ क्यू लाइज ऑन लेवल सरफेस ऑफ पी, P की जो लेवल सरफेस है, पॉइंट P वाली जो लेवल सरफेस है, उस पे अगर Q लाइज करेगा तो आपका जो चेंज इन फाई है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0, दैट रिड्यूसेस टू 0 एंड दिस dr इज अलोंग द टेंजेंट, दिस dr इज अलोंग द टेंजेंट ऑफ द लेवल सरफेस। ये क्या हो जाएगा, dr वेक्टर इज ना, dr इज अलोंग टेंजेंट टू द level surface at point P, पॉइंट P पे dr लेवल सरफेस के टेंजेंट पे हो जाएगा, टेंजेंट के लॉन्ग हो जाएगा और d फाई इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा 0। अब आपको क्या दिख रहा है, डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्रेड फाई विद dr इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड द मैग्नीट्यूड दोनों का 0 नहीं है, तो आप क्या कह सकते हो कि ग्रेड फाई और डी आर एक दूसरे के क्या हैं, परपेंडिकुलर हैं. फ्रॉम हेयर डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स इज 0 when these are perpendicular to each other. So here dr is along the tangent, so grade phi is along the normal. So grade phi is along the normal. So if here, so this is the geometrical meaning of gradient phi, क्योंकि इट शोज द नॉर्मल वेक्टर टू द सरफेस. ये क्या शो करता है कि नॉर्मल वेक्टर टू द सरफेस इज शोन बाय ग्रेड फाई. किससे शो होगा, ग्रेड फाई से. Another meaning of grade phi, first of all, grade phi represents the normal vector to the surface at that point. At any point, grade phi represents the normal to the surface vector, normal to the surface को represent करेगा. आगे आप ये चेक कर सकते हो, another meaning of this, as we know, grade phi represents the normal vector to the surface, normal vector to the surface. Now unit normal vector to the surface will be what to go. Grade phi is the normal to the surface, then divide by its magnitude, that will be the unit normal vector in the direction of phi. Now grade phi has the value, that is grade phi magnitude into n vector. This is the, by definition of unit vector, grade phi is grade phi magnitude into unit vector, normal unit vector. ठीक है. अब क्या होगा, if you want to find change in normal direction with respect to normal vector, change in phi with respect to normal vector in the normal direction, phi के अंदर change को find करना चाह रहे हो कि जैसे जैसे हम उस surface से ऊपर जाते जाएंगे तो change क्या आएगा phi के अंदर. तो that change we can find at change in phi, surface phi with respect to normal vector is given by this, and if this delta n tends to 0, then this will be d phi by dn. This will be d phi by dn. Now this grade phi, d phi has the value, that is grade phi dot dr by delta n, limit delta n tends to 0, delta n tends to 0. अब इस ग्रेड फाई की जो ये वैल्यू है यहाँ पे यूज करो, क्या आ जाएगा, लिमिट delta n tends to 0, grade phi has the value grade phi magnitude into n cap dot dr by delta n. Now अब this dot product of n with dr क्या होगा बताओ, that is n vector magnitude dr magnitude into cos of angle between them. If this surface is p and another surface has the point q था, and जो change in phi with this direction is d phi, and this is the displacement vector dr, angle is theta, this is normal vector, that is dn. Now dr cos theta will be equal to dn. So here n unit vector is 1 and this is dr cos theta, and dr cos component is equal to क्या होता है, dn. तो this has the value dn. So this becomes dn. तो grade phi into dn by dn, this equals to grade phi. So gradient phi also shows a rate of change of phi in the normal direction. So gradient phi also shows the change in surface in the normal direction. ठीक है, rate of change of the surface rate of change of phi in the normal direction. So if we want to find the rate of change of any surface in the normal direction, then it is also find using gradient phi. ठीक है, तो these are the physical meaning and definition of gradient of phi. Thanks for watching.